So in this video, you're going to learn how to enable the mouse controls on your Nintendo Switch 2. So if you've currently tried to transform your Joy-Cons into mice and you're seeing nothing is really happening on your screen and you want to enable this feature so that you can at least use them, then what you're going to do is just navigate to the system settings, and then from here you're going to scroll down until you find controllers and accessories. Select that. Next, you're going to scroll through these different settings until you find Joy-Con mouse controls. So in order for you to turn your Joy-Cons into mice, what you're going to do is just tap on this toggle like that to enable the feature. And once it's been enabled, you'll now notice that whenever you try to use your Joy-Cons as mice, you can see the mouse cursor has successfully appeared, which means that you've successfully enabled the mouse controls. Bear in mind that even if this feature is actually disabled, as long as the game supports mice control or mouse control, then you'll still be able to use them, but only in those supported games. If you want to use it across your whole device, then you're going to just enable that feature and you can start using it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.